Here's the fucking ball.
Thank you. Put on a different song.
It's fucking playing on the radio. Calm grenaders.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
It's just gonna be smart. Wait, smart hit.
Woo!
Smart hit. And the balls is open. You just smart hit.
Okay. Do
On
it.
the top of your
Do
head.
it. Do it. Do it. Woo! Ow! I kicked it in his face. All right, ready? Did you clack your teeth?
No, I put my glasses on. That's dope. No. Yeah.
They got soccer prints on them.
Fucking around, God! I'm fucking trying to do this. My fucking internet connection won't work.
Oh, well. Why would you let Facebook know that? Facebook doesn't want to know about your financial problems.
It's not financial stupid.
It is to me.